జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. సుందరకాండ. ఓ హనుమా, now you go back and again come back with Rama, Lakshmana and entire Vanara Sainyam, Vanara army. Hanuma, I have been missing Rama so much. I'm feeling like it has been years that I haven't seen my Rama. Can you please show me my Rama, Hanuma? Please make me happy, Hanuma. Like that, when Sita Devi emotionally spoke to Hanuma, Hanuma saying like this, "Oh Devi, the moment anybody would see you, they get all kind of auspiciousness and all kind of peace of mind and all kind of favors. To that extent, you are such an auspicious woman. O Sita Devi, whatever the words that you spoke so far, everything makes sense. Yes, as you said, no one in this entire world, no woman in this entire world would dare to sit on my back and cross this ocean in the sky. Nobody would dare. You said correctly. And oh Janaki Devi, you said you cannot touch anyone other than Rama. Yes, that statement definitely fits to your chastity. You are only the one who has to make that statement. You are definitely well fitted one to make that statement. Nobody can do that kind of statement in this world. Oh Janaki Devi, I saw when you were trying to attempt suicide, and I saw when you ignored Ravana just like a blade of grass, and I heard all those words that you spoke to Ravana. Sita Devi, I will tell every of these things to my Rama clearly. And Sita Devi, because I could not see you going through this much of grief, and because I wanted to make my Rama happy by giving you to Rama, that is why I asked you to come along with me. That is why I asked you to sit on my back and come along with me. No other reason, Sita Devi. And also, Sitamma, I know that I am strong enough that I can help you cross this ocean. That confidence I have. That is why I asked you to come along with me. Please don't get me wrong, Sita Devi. There is no other reason in my mind. Amma, I love Rama. I have so much of devotion on my Rama. That is why I wanted to make my Rama happy as soon as possible. That is only the reason I asked you to come along with me. There is no other reason. Oh Sadhvi, now I understand that you do not want to come along with me. That is fine with me. But abhijnanam prayachatvam janiyat Raghavo hitat. Can you please give me any kind of indication so that I can show that one to Rama, by which Rama would trust me that I have seen you? Please give me some indication. Like that, Hanuma requesting Sita Devi. Hanuma asking Sita Devi to give him one indication by which Rama would believe. When Hanuma asked like that, Sitamma suddenly started moving to tears. Sitamma remembered one incident along with Ramachandra Swami, what happened when they were in Chitrakutam. Uvacha vachanam mandam Bashpa pragrthita aksharam. When those memories came into her thoughts, suddenly she could not speak at all. But slowly Sita Devi started saying to Hanuma like this. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama 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 Dasaratha Rama He He Raja Rama He He Raja Rama He He Sita Rama He He Sita Rama. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.